Are you finger painting? Are you rubbing it all over?
No more.
It's sticking to your hand. There's more on it. Look at all your pretty rainbows.
No more. Mama, mama.
What do you say?
Please.
Here. I'll put a little bit on your hand. Okay. Go rub it. Go rub it on your paper. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Are they all sticky? No more, no more, no more. You got to finish what you got over here. You still got some on this one. Look at your rainbows. There's still some on this paper. Look, I still see some. Rub it in real good. Okay, hold on. I got to put the camera down. Say bye. Tell me, what are you doing? Can you tell the camera what you're doing? Are you painting? Say, painting. Painting. Are you painting rainbows? Look at all your rainbows. How pretty. You painted rainbows. Are they magic? Oh, and yeah, your hands are sticky, huh? Are they sticky?
No.
No? All right.